Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a 3D line chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select some data. Click and drag on your mouse. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the line chart drop down menu. We can see here many line chart. Now I am select the 3D line. Now we can see we make a 3D line chart very easily. You can change the color, style or add any element or remove any element. Select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Click the style drop down menu. We can see here many style. Now I am select the color drop down menu and you can add it or remove the color. Now I am select this. You can change the layout of the chart. Otherwise you can add any element or remove any element. Now we can see we make or create a 3D line chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.